Hey y'all, welcome back. Headed back to San Francisco. I don't remember which one, if it was a 777 or 787. We'll see that. It's a fully booked flight. No chance for a legroom seat, so let's see how this goes. So we made it to the jet bridge. Let's get in. Try to be strategic with my seats. I chose the last seats for like 2 people instead of 3. Just makes it less cluttery.
Right side. Hello, from second toilet right side, please. Hello, I come aboard. From second toilet right side, please.
Проходим в другое место.
Only if weirdly, it gets narrower as you move forward. Alright, so made it on. I think it's the 777. It's pretty cramped. So like no leg room at all. But it's what it is, 13 hours. As you can see, there's like 0 leg room, but I mean, I guess that's how it's going to be the whole flight. I'm able to get this part for extra storage. The leg room is pretty bad for someone 6'2", 6'3". When the seat reclines, the base moves forward. It even gets tighter, but it's what it is. I'll show you guys how it is throughout the flight, but next 13 hours might just be a little torture. Just to confirm, this is a fully booked flight, so there's no chances of getting another seat, a row to myself, or extra legroom.
Cabin crew flight on code check.
About 40 minutes overtime. Since we were supposed to leave at 1:15, it's about 1:40. Expect another 10 to 15 minute delay. Unfortunately, not so excited. I mean, Turkish disappointed in my last flight where the business class was just awful. You get the point. So we got our lunch, got the chicken as I mentioned before. Let's see how it is. Not so exciting, but it's food. I'm grateful for whatever I get, whether it's tasty or not. Hopefully this is tasty. So I'm gonna try the chicken. Probably try the magic. That's how. So yeah, that was the food review. Alright y'all, so we just got done with our meal. 11 hours left. See how this goes. I don't know how it's gonna go. I haven't fallen asleep yet. Hopefully I do. And when I wake up there should be 2 hours left. I'm trying to fall asleep for a while. Same legroom situation, but I was able to get that, so I could really just extend my leg out like that. But other than that, pretty normal economy class Turkish Airlines. food was alright, but does it ever fill you? Not really. Never does. Hopefully, rest of this flight goes good. Finishing one movie. Gonna move on to the next. Let's see what I watch. See you guys soon. The leg room's awful. But they gave me this. But no point, because it's there. I can't really do it when the other person's sitting next to me. But yeah, that's pretty much Turkish Airways economy class. It just keeps getting smaller and smaller. This is the 777. I wish it was the 787. I heard they have better leg room. It's what it is. I'm gonna watch the next movie. I'm gonna update you guys soon. 11 hours left in this 13-hour flight. Alright, y'all. I'm on my second movie. About 9 hours, 51 minutes left in the flight. I got up for a little stretch. Legs kind of hurt, but hopefully we get to SFO soon. I still haven't fallen asleep. I mean, my eyes hit a little. I was about to go to sleep around right before the serve food. Maybe I might be able to sleep. It's been about an hour. This movie's about an hour and a half long more, so I might be able to go to sleep, or I'll just keep watching movies. Let's see what happens. See you guys in a bit. Hey y'all, quick update is 2 hour 15 left to this flight. They should be starting less food service, so I was able to sleep about 6 hours. Oh, so that was a plus. It's really hard. Neck's super stiff. I can't wait to get home. So we just got our second meal. Really no options. I did read it out in the menu earlier, but let's check it out and see how it is. Traditional Turkish kebab and rice, which is pretty good. I mean, better than the bland eggs that you usually get for breakfast. But I don't think they're considering this as breakfast time, but more like kind of like a kind of lunch. Turkish kebabs at the Istanbul lounge. So it's pretty alright. The rest is just vegetables and a dessert. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this up and probably watch something. Hopefully get home in 1 hour 58 minutes. So see you guys soon. Alright, so we're ending up this flight. About 46 minutes till we reach San Francisco. I'm tired. I'm gonna go check if I could grab a cup of tea. If not, it's what it is. I can't wait to be picked up. I'm gonna talk to you guys once we get to SFO. Outside the airport.